It's Dr. Robert Davis with Active Health, Knee and Shoulder, and I am here with Linda. And Linda is back from a hiatus. You were up north for a while.
Cincinnati.
And you came in here, I would say 5-6 months ago.
I was here mid-January to the end of February, 6 weeks.
And your main, let's just go through it like this. Your main complaint back then was the knee pain, but you had a few other things going on.
Well, I came because I saw the commercial on television about neuropathy. And my father had neuropathy, and I have neuropathy. But when I came here and had the interview, you said you could not only help with my neuropathy, but you could help with my back, which was injured back in 2010, my 30th year of teaching kindergarten. My L4 and L5 are bad. I've been told I could have back surgery, but I'm never getting another surgery because my knee surgery that I had 3 years ago doesn't allow me to play tennis anymore, or didn't. I do now. But being down here for 6 weeks, doing everything you say to do and doing my nutrition and my exercises, I'm a good patient.
Yeah.
I'm a teacher. I know. You're a good teacher. And I did everything I was supposed to for 6 weeks. I got well in 6 weeks, and when I went back February 26th, just this year, I went to play tennis the next night, and I played for an hour and a half.
Oh, good for you.
Oh,
that's
and
awesome.
I do golf on Wednesday nights, tennis, no, golf is Thursday nights. Tennis is Wednesday night, golf is Thursday night, volleyball is Friday nights.
What is volleyball?
Volleyball is like volleyball in a racquetball court. My kids are wonderful, they're very good to me. But they can't get over how healthy I am. Nobody can get over how healthy I am.
So why do you think things have dramatically changed for you? What changed in your routine, like when you started here?
Well, I always loved sports, and I've been a tennis fan all my life, and I've played tennis since I was in. I took tennis at the UC at the University of Cincinnati, but I could not play tennis anymore because I had a knee replacement 3 years ago, and the knee replacement does not do but as good as it was before it went bad. But I blew it out at a tennis clinic when I was 69, and I hadn't played tennis for 3 years. I still go and watch, but I can't play. So my goal with getting down here for January and February, because that's all I stay down here at our condo, was to get healthy and be able to play tennis. And I did everything you said to do. I did my exercises morning and night. I did my supplements morning and night. I came here twice a week to the office visits because it was supposed to be a 12-week program, but I was only going to be for 6, so I did it twice a week. Once we did it for the knees and once for the feet because I had bad knees, bad neuropathy, bad back, varicose veins. I wear glasses, hearing aids, you name it, I got it.
And now how's that changed though? What are you doing now?
Everything. I can do anything. They call me Wonder Woman. That's wonderful, but I think for Halloween I'm going to go as Linda Carter at first, and then I'll change to Wonder Woman.
I can see the new Wonder Woman. That's good.
But I can do everything and anything, and my memory is fantastic. I can remember back so long ago. People say, "My God, how can you remember that stuff?" I said, go to Dr. Davis, you know? You get help for your brain, you get help for your knees, your feet, your back, everything. And I did it in 6 weeks, and you can too. I thought it was well worth the money, and it would be well worth the money for anybody because I did it in 6 weeks.
What are you comparing it to?
My hearing aid costs, because they're terrible.
It's all on an individual basis. It's not necessarily going to cost you that much. We obviously do a consult and evaluation to see how severe your case is. But in Linda's case, it worked for her, and then some, and now she's out doing all the things that she wanted to do.
Plus more.
She wanted to be active, have an active lifestyle. I mean, she's semi-retired, she has some investments, and so she's living the life that she wants to live, and she's not under the knife.
No.
And a lot of people say, well, you know, Medicare pays for my surgery. Really, you're going to make the decision to get a surgery where they're going to put you under anesthesia. What does anesthesia does? It kills brain cells. And then you're going to be on all kinds of opiates so you don't think you have any pain. So it's very traumatic. And if it's unnecessary, why even think that way? Because we've been programmed that way.
Yeah.
We're programmed to just listen to what the doctor says.
But you're the best doctor, and you don't do any drugs, any injections,
No.
any surgeries. It's all active.
Yeah.
And it 7,000 to me was a bargain, because I spent 7,000 in 07, and again in 10, and then in 13, and then again in 16, and then again in I've spent 7,000 on hearing aids forever. And this was only 7,000, and it healed my neuropathy, corrected my knees. I don't have the varicose veins. I don't have the swelling. I don't have the back pain.
And
I
your
helped
brain,
my neck.
right, and the brain's function better.
Oh,
It's
and
your
my memory's
it's your
fantastic.
It's your vascular system that's working.
Everything is working
You're taking
great.
nutrition that increases nitric oxide and you.
Oh, it
helps everything.
everything, and
Simple.
people can't believe the difference. They said, "My goodness!" My neurologist was thrilled to death.
Yeah.
He said, "Nobody ever comes to me healthy. They always come to me really sick." He said, "Just whatever you're doing, just keep it up."